Yeah, sure, your father's car. You love it?
Yeah, I love it.
So today is a very exciting day for me. The day for which I have waited 4.5 years. And if you haven't guessed it already, let me show you something. I am at Tesla store and I'm about to take the delivery of my Cybertruck. Yeah, it only took like 4.5 years. Let me show you a little bit around. I haven't seen that where my truck is. So I'm about to go out and search for my Cybertruck. But here is the showroom. They have new or maybe old Model 3 and Model Y there, I don't know. But I'm about to go out and see if my Cybertruck is parked out there. I will show you in a minute. So I just saw this Cybertruck standing outside and I don't know if it is mine or not. So let's see. Let's see if it has my name on it. No, I don't see any names or anything. But here is the Cybertruck and I don't see any other Cybertruck on the lot. So maybe they might have something in the back, but maybe this is my Cybertruck. I don't know. It does not have any name. But I can already see some fingerprints. I don't know if it's very visible on the camera. But yeah, this one is pretty visible. So yeah, it's a fingerprint magnet. And just to tell you, I don't like to wrap it. But seems like, with this fingerprinting issue, yeah, I might have to wrap it. Look at the size of this tire. Oh my god, they are huge. They are bigger than my Suburban. So we will do a comparison video as well. It's a foundation series. I think you can see it in the camera. And it is huge. It is big. Mashallah. It is a huge truck. And let me show you one more thing. Okay, this is not my Cybertruck. It's someone else because mine is a Cyberbeast and it does not have a Cyberbeast etching on it. So it's not mine. Someone else Cybertruck I made a video. So let's see when my Cybertruck comes up. So these are all the cars that Tesla is delivering today. And they told me my Cybertruck is here. So I'm just going to check if this is my Cybertruck which has my name on it. Let's see. Okay, yeah, it says Imran Lakhani. And let's take a look around. Let's take a video of it. And let's see if everything looks good. Here it is. Foundation series. And the one thing that we are missing, oh my god, it's some fingerprint magnet. Oh my god, that's like a lot. Okay, let's see if it has the Cyberbeast. Aha, Cyberbeast. Okay, cool. Yeah, that's what I was talking about, baby. Okay, I have to blur out my registration numbers. But yeah, this is my Cybertruck, guys. And yep, I finally got it after waiting 4.5 years. So in a minute I will go in and take my family to home.